Man, I done lost my job because of you. I done lost plenty of stuff because of you.
Because of me?
Yes, because of you.
My fault? Really?
So come on.
Hey there, welcome to the Courtroom Files. So this video from Judge Fleischer's court is equal parts sad, messy, frustrating, and many other adjectives, honestly. So this takes place over the course of 2 days, a Friday and the following Monday. This defendant had his attorney withdraw, and you'll see the reasons why as you watch. He gets a court-appointed attorney to help him in the first interaction with the judge. He's expressing his frustration. On Monday, the court-appointed attorney comes back and says that this guy won't accept him. He wants the original one, so Judge Fleischer makes the call to get the guy back, and then another hearing ensues, and it ends with the judge honestly sad, for lack of a better way to put it. But take a look at this video. Let us know what you think in the comments about this interaction, how the judge handled things, how the defendant handled things. We'd appreciate your thoughts on the matter. Please do put a thumbs up on the video if you enjoy it. Consider subscribing to the channel if you have not already. And let's go ahead and roll the game film.
Okay, so it looks like your other attorney withdrew in your case.
I paid him all my money. What the fuck?
Okay, is that Gagliardi?
Yeah.
Okay, they filed a withdrawal yesterday.
And then I'll give the reset to free child so then I'll call it. You're welcome.
Who's he gonna let me know this? I paid him all my money, bro. Come on, hell no.
So you may need to contact them about that.
I don't know. My people been trying to contact him for a week now.
Okay.
And he hasn't been answering the phone.
Well, we'll just have to address your bonds with the judge. Do you think you can make any bond?
I ain't making no bond. He better come to court.
Okay. This is Mr. Wyckoff.
Yeah. Morning, Mr. Wyckoff.
How you doing?
And Judge, I did want to make something clear to you. He was under the impression that his hired attorney would be here, Mr. Gagliardi. And so apparently that attorney
He withdrew.
When? He didn't tell me nothing. He didn't tell my people nothing.
Yesterday.
When
I mean,
I was supposed to come to court.
The thing is that you've been gone quite a while.
And I asked him when I got
I
out
don't
of
know.
jail. I asked him, when was my next court date? He said he'll call you and let you know. He
Look,
never called me back. That's what I paid him for, so he could tell me.
I don't know. I mean, I'll let you guys get into that. All I know is it's been a long time since we've seen you, Mr. Wyckoff, you know? So, do you know what conditions they put on the felony things?
I don't, Judge, could you check that into the bond conditions?
Yes.
Thank you.
Felicia?
I'm pulling him up at the judge.
It looks like there are none currently active due to the warrant and bond being denied. So they haven't set any new ones. And the warrant that was issued after the last conditions made them inactive now, the previous ones.
Who's bond denied in the case upstairs?
Yes, Judge, yes.
So, we still have our conditions in place, correct?
No, Judge, the warrant deactivated them from the last one. Let me double check. Yes.
So let's do the same thing. No drugs, no alcohol. I'm gonna test you like crazy. I've been doing it since the beginning and I will continue to do it, Mr. Wyckoff. I don't want you using.
So when are we gonna actually talk about the case?
We'll address that
I'm
later.
giving you a new lawyer now.
Yeah.
I want my paid attorney, the one I gave my money to.
So let's do this. I can call him and I can try to get him here. Today's Friday. You have felony court on the 6th, which is Wednesday. If you want, I can put it on the docket for early next week and I can try to bring him here and we can have, you know.
That's how I got messed over last time. I was supposed to come to your court, but I went to felony court. They told me don't come to your court, go to felony court. That's when you issued me a
I,
warrant.
I don't know. I mean, we'll have a hearing over it, but I'll get him here Monday or Tuesday and we can talk
And
about
get
it.
them online like you usually do.
I'll send him a text, see what he can do. But regardless, though, you need to talk to him. You
It's
can't
like-
do that via
It's like
Zoom.
y'all both working together now.
So let me try to get him and then I'll have him here. Okay? Okay. So I need him to be careful, Mr. Wyckoff.
Thank you, Judge. So do you want me to just roll it to next week or
Yeah, let's put it on for Monday.
Monday? Okay.
Hey, Vic, we need to reach out to Mr. Gagliardi, let him know that Mr. Walker,
Are we doing anything other than no drugs, no alcohol?
no drugs, no alcohol, no weapons, no contact with the complaining witness. And that,
You want, okay, no device?
not for now,
Yes, Judge.
he's the man.
Thank you, Judge.
Yeah, thanks.
And then I have one more, Judge. Let me see. This is one that we rolled from Friday.
In
It's
this,
Mr. Wyckoff.
in this world, you're only as good as the proof that you have. If you don't prove, you don't have it.
Right.
Oh, Wyckoff?
Yes, Judge. And I don't know if you remember this one. This is the one where he's really, he's irritated, and
Oh, that's right.
he wants Mr. Gagliardi to be his attorney of record.
Oh, I already.
Yeah, and so he's unhappy that he filed a withdrawal, I guess. It's all Wyckoff.
Joseph. I know you're busy, but you have time to roll by anytime today?
Go ahead and sign. Yes, Judge?
Yeah, do you mind?
Oh.
Thanks, bud. Bye.
So.
He's coming.
Yes, Judge. Stand down and just we'll.
The last name? Oh, the first. Yes.
Morning, Mr. Wyckoff. The only thing I ever wanted from you is just to be clean. That's all I ever wanted. I didn't want this back and forth into custody, back and forth and this and that. The only thing I wanted from you, I promise you, is to be clean. Had that happened, who knows whether we would be in this mess now. That's all I wanted, man.
And I done lost my job because of you. I done lost plenty of stuff because of you.
Because of me.
Yes, because of you.
My fault? Really?
So come on.
The felony case that you picked up upstairs, is that my fault too?
Nah, it ain't your fault. That's me right there. But coming 2 times a week.
All I wanted, Mr. Wyckoff, just be clean. That's it. You're charged with assault, bodily injury. You're facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine. You've worked out an agreement where they're offering you 30 days in jail with credit for the 13 that you've done. You are giving up the right to a trial, right to compel witnesses to testify on your behalf, confront and cross-examine your accusers. If you're not a citizen, there are possible immigration consequences. You can be deported, excluded from the country, denied naturalization under federal law. You give up the right to appeal. Once you accept this agreement, there's no turning back. How do you plead to the offense of assault, Mr. Wyckoff?
Not guilty.
Okay, then we will go to trial. I'm not accepting this plea bargain agreement. We will go to trial.
Oh, guilty then. Guilty.
I'm not playing a game with you, man. You know, you've been playing games since day one, man. I'm not playing this game with you.
Are you guilty, Mr. Wyckoff?
Yeah.
Are you really guilty?
She said I was guilty.
Your attitude is such that if it doesn't change, you're never going to get anywhere, Mr. Wyckoff. sucks. All I want is you to leave better than you came. That's what we all aspire here to do. Attitude has a big thing to do with it. Some people just can't get through to. And I guess that's okay. All right. I'll accept the plea. I'm going to find you guilty. I'm going to sentence you to 30 days in jail. I will give you credit for the 13 days that you've done. All right.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome.
Thank you for coming back, by the way.
Judge.
Hey, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed that video, do please take a moment to like, subscribe, and leave a comment on the video. We'd really appreciate that. And if you want to keep the fun going, check out the video on the screen right now.